This VATAS training video is going to show payroll how to move employees from one TL unit to another. We are currently logged into our VATAS training database as a station payroll admin. We're at the station payroll admin main menu. From the main menu, we will go to the TL units box of options and we will select TL unit management. Now, most of you out there, in your station code drop-down box, you will only have one station code. Most payroll offices only have one station available. Now, I do know that there are some stations out there where they are responsible for the VISN headquarters as well as their primary station, and in these situations you may have more than one option in the station code drop-down, and in those cases you want to make sure that you're selecting the correct station that you're going to be working with. In this scenario, we only have one station available, 327. In the TL unit box, the TL code box, you want to type in the 3-digit TNO that you're going to be placing the employee into. So for this example, we'll type 008 and search. Now, as in most cases in VATAS, when you search for a 3-digit TNO, you will get more than one option when your results pop up, and that's the case here. We have 3 different TL units that all end in the same TNO, which is 008. Remember, the first 3 numbers of our TL unit, that is the station, and all 3 of these begin with 327 because that was the only station we had access to in the station code drop-down. The middle 2 indicators, that is the duty station. Alright, so here we have Alpha Bravo, Alpha underscore, and Bravo underscore, and those are all set by HR, so you can't just move an employee to a duty station without knowing the correct duty station to move them to. In this case, the employee is currently in Alpha Bravo 008, and I'll show you right now by clicking on the TL unit code. When we click on the TL unit code, it will show you all of the employees currently in that TL unit, and the employee that we're going to move is Emily employee. And here you can see again that they are currently in 327AB008. I'm going to use my breadcrumb to go back to TL unit management, and the TNL that we're going to move them into is B underscore 008. Now, you do not have to go into the original TL unit. I was simply doing that just to show you the TL unit that the employee is currently in. But we're now going to click on the TL unit that we want to move the employee to. We will then scroll to the bottom, and we have 2 options here: add employee members effective today and add employee members for pay period. You are almost always going to want to use the second option, add employee members for pay period. The only time you're going to want to use the first option, add employee members effective today, is if you have an HR action specifying that that employee is moved on a specific day. Okay? Other than that, you're going to want to use the add employee members for pay period, which again, you will primarily be using. So we click on add employee members for pay period. In the blue search bar, just like any other of these blue boxes, they're always to search. We're going to type the employee's name. Our employee's last name is in fact employee because again, this is our training database, and the first name is Emily. So I'll just type employee, EM. That should be enough to get me down to a few results, if not just one result. And here we have just one result, Emily employee. You put the check in front of the employee's name, and you then select checked users. Now the employee has been moved into that TL unit. It's important to know you do not have to go and take the employee out of the prior TL unit. Once you do the steps that we just performed, the employee is automatically in the new TL unit. And there we have our only employee in TL unit 327AB008. Again, this video is showing you how to move employees from one TL unit to another TL unit as station payroll admin.